Ever wondered how massive rivers of ice move across our landscape? Welcome to the fascinating world of glaciers. These frozen giants might seem static, but they're actually in constant motion, sculpting our Earth's surface like nature's own bulldozers. Let me show you how these icy behemoths travel across our planet. Imagine a glacier as a gigantic stack of ice cream on a slightly tilted plate. Just like that ice cream would slowly spread out, glaciers flow under their own weight. But here's where it gets really interesting. Glaciers move in two main ways. First, through internal deformation. Think of it like a stack of slippery cards slowly bending and sliding over each other. The weight of the ice causes the layers to slowly deform and flow. The deeper layers move more slowly than the top layers, creating a kind of conveyor belt effect. The second way is called basal sliding. When pressure and friction create a thin layer of water between the glacier and the ground, the whole glacier can slide forward like a massive ice slip and slide. But don't expect to see glaciers zooming past. Most glaciers move pretty slowly, typically a few feet per day. Some are real speedsters, though, like Antarctica's Pine Island Glacier, which can move up to 100 feet per day. As glaciers move, they're constantly reshaping our landscape. They carve out valleys, create lakes, and transport enormous boulders far from their original locations. Think of them as Earth's sculptors, working in slow motion to create the landscapes we see today. These incredible ice rivers also act as Earth's thermometers. As our climate changes, glaciers are moving faster and melting more quickly than ever before. Understanding how glaciers move helps us track these changes and predict what might happen to our planet in the future. So next time you see a glacier, remember, you're looking at a massive, moving river of ice that's been helping shape our planet for millions of years. Nature truly is amazing, isn't it?